Yeah, run up a dick, make that bitch give me neck. Hop up a dick, look and see where I'm at. Over 2 bodies, we in street.
So we just got back from the club. It was called Mandala. Help me out here.
Oh, I was hoping you said it right.
Mandala, I believe. And it was crazy. Yo, we got there, I think we got there at like 1 a.m. It was hella crowded, right?
Yeah. Super crowded.
Hell, like packed, like sardines, packed, hot, sweaty, like musty in the beginning, and it was like a hassle trying to get like a section. We eventually got one, and the service was great towards that part, but in the beginning kind of took a minute, kind of took too long because we were all in dresses and in heels, so like our feet were like, girl, like what are you doing? So we got in a section. And how did you like the section? Like, what do you rate the section? Chad.
A 5.
A 5 out of what?
Out of 10.
5 out of 10. Why?
There wasn't a lot of room.
Okay.
It was a little wet.
Why? Like what? Like what do you mean wet?
People are like spilling drinks from above you, next to you.
Like above you, like popping champagne bottles.
Yes, and it's sprayed everywhere.
Yeah.
I understand. Have your fun.
Right.
But be respectful.
Right.
Of other people.
Right.
Aim it in a different way.
Right. So.
Chicken fajitas.
Chicken fajitas.
Chicken quesadillas.
Chicken quesadillas. And then onion
soup. Yes.
Nice.
There we go.
Which one is your favorite?
And 3 bottle of water. Also was good.
I love them. Okay, what is the club called? Mandala? Mandala.
Yes.
Okay, that's what we. Okay. Thank you. Have a good night.
Bye.
Okay, so we went to Mandala. Got these. They're really, really nice. Very pretty. Like very fresh though. Like these are like super fresh. Not like your average flowers that they have at the club. And then we ordered room service. I ordered the soup. And this is what they ordered. And then we got water too. Bottled water. You ready to eat?
Play all day.
You ready to eat? Are you hungry?
Am I a little baby? Wham, bitch, your little baby.
Oh, so I'm the only one that's not ready for bed yet.
The fajitas. How many quesadillas?
I'm not ready for bed yet, but I'm about to be.
No sour cream.
But you got guacamole. Be thankful. Be thankful. But she said I want both. Yeah. Yo, in Texas, we get all of that.
Okay.
We get all of that.
And salsa.
So, yeah, y'all want to see my makeup? Let me see if I can put this and zoom in.
This girl was trying to be healthy and shit. Fuck that.
Who eat healthy? Having onion soup?
It's not healthy, but it's not fattening.
Oh, because I did have a Caesar salad earlier. You know, I'm trying to be somebody's wife one day. You know, I'm trying to be somebody's wife one day. What you talking about? I'm trying to keep my figure. I ain't trying to have like, you know, my skin already effed up, but look at it.
It's what?
Look, future babe, you see me? I'm out here. I'm kidding. All right, so yeah, so I'm gonna eat, then I'm gonna shower, then we're gonna sleep, and then we're gonna see you guys on the beach tomorrow. So bikini time. Y'all see this? I'm gonna taste it again. Is y'all feel good?
It's bland.
Okay, so let me go. Let me taste this. Oh, it is nasty. No, it's nasty. Let me bite one of y'all's whatever. Wait. Yeah.
You have taco.
You gotta put it together. This one's good. I should have got that.
It's bland.
Can I bite a little bit? I want to bite like a little bit.
I'm making this for you.
I don't want the whole thing though.
Well, okay here.
I just want like, dang.
You don't like guacamole?
I thought you were gonna put it in the front though.
What do you need the other side?
Mmm.
Girl, if you don't eat that down.
Mm-mm.
I know.
I mean, well, no. It is good because like
It's not bad, but it's not like, oh my gosh.
but it has onions in it, so that makes it good.
You want the rest of it?
No. That onion soup is, it doesn't even taste like, I
If they
love
had sour
onions.
cream and cheese, we can make it work.
I love onions, but that don't even taste like,
Is that supposed to be French onion soup?
but it even say French onion, it just said onion soup. It just tastes like onion, like broth. Like it's not. Fail. Just woke up to this view. Oh, this camera's foggy. Somebody's parasailing. Look how cool. So cool. It's so pretty. Ooh. Child, nah, it's a bug. About to go eat some lunch. Got the little swimsuit on with the swimsuit cover. And, yeah. Now I need to face the leg. But we're about to finally go. I still look tired, but I swear I'm not. But, yeah, see y'all later. It's so nice, guys. It's not too much seaweed. It's not too much seaweed. Leave it there.
We're going to take a shot.
Okay, so we're just we just got done. No, we're on our way to the bar
To get more shots.
to get more shots.
We not lit it up.
We not leaving it. And we're gonna take a shot really quick of, you know the shot name?
Reposado.
Maestro.
Reposado.
Maestro Reposado, like that's like our thing. And our bartender name is Juan. And he Liddy. Liddy Two Titty. Juan! We need another shot, Juan. One more. So, yeah, we've been like heavy. Uno más.
Uno más.
Wait, let me put it behind you. Oh, shit.
Can you make all of them half shots?
I wanted a whole one.
Okay, uno.
No, all the same.
The short.
Yeah.
Yeah, 3 short. Yeah.
Tres.
Tres poquito.
Wait,
That's not right.
because I should just start taking my pictures so I can get those.
Yes.
Yeah.
I was gonna say.
So I was like, let's hear you.
Would you like to have pictures?
We're like recording.
Oh,
We're recording, Juan. Say hi, Juan. Alright.
I'm like covered in sand.
Yeah,
We all are.
Those pictures
And then,
are cute.
well, you're gonna wipe it off in the beach.
Yeah.
In the water.
We have to take our pictures in the water.
We're not going to bistro tonight because we ain't made our reservation.
No, we haven't. And then, but we have to make our reservations for tomorrow.
Yeah, we don't have to make reservations. No, we don't. So we can go there.
Yeah.
Or the Italian restaurant.
Oh yeah.
Because we get lobster and this, or we can go Italian and get.
I don't want lobster.
I want lobster too.
Okay, so you gotta go.
Because I didn't get to eat the crab, but
We have to take him. Yeah, the crab was pretty good though.
I got a crab with
Yeah, but she didn't get the right.
I literally got a crab with no meat.
Yeah, with no meat.
It was a shell.
Yeah, you have to get like the body part.
Yeah, I tried. But I guess everyone took it by the time I got there. Oh, that's for the birthday.
2 shorts.
Ooh, there you go.
Yeah, that's enough.
But he has extra, so you can finish it off.
With hers, finish that one off.
More? Yes. Moss.
More.
Gracias.
Gracias.
What's the orange name?
Naranja. Naranja. Ah, little español.
Yeah. Okay.
Is that right?
Yeah.
Yes. On the space.
I always get like the
Yes,
lid.
tahini.
Okay, so.
Uh-oh, it's gone? We drunk.
The tahini is gone.
It's okay. Oh, tahini.
They get tahini. Gracias, Sean. Show it in the vlog. Show y'all tahini. Tahini on the fruit to take the
Yes,
shot. It's mandatory. Try this.
Tequila, it really is much way better. Kills that.
It's much way better.
Orange
I'm playing.
and not lime.
All right. Okay, all right. As I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I fear no evil. Hey. Right here. And I'm really sleepy. They don't know that, but I'm so freaking tired. I can't go to sleep. Y'all, like, look at the bags. I don't have like concealer on. Like, look at this. Like, what the freak is going on? What the freak is going on? Hi, how are you?
Hello.
What are you doing back here? What are you doing?
I just took a shower.
And then what?
So I'm chilling until it's time for dinner.
What time is dinner?
8:30.
What time is it now?
Like 7 something.
Okay. Okay?
See.
Okay. Alright. Alright. The one that takes the longest to get ready
Oh
is right
my
here.
gosh.
The one
I'm
who
like 5
one who takes 8 hours to get ready. Set that right here. It's all,
I'm like 5 minutes
They
after.
want to be some
Friday.
biscuits in the oven.
You what?
she's talking about her freaking
One looks bigger than the other.
It
girl. They're all the same
No,
size.
It's one size fits all, ho.
You sure?
I must go to sleep.
I'm about to punch you in your face. You better wake up.
Look, okay.
I'm gonna be
We
fighting.
needed a time to take a nap.
We're gonna be fighting. You gotta wake up.
I need to take a nap.
You can't. I'm so sorry. Because why didn't you take a nap? You slept till 12 today. You only take no nap at 6 o'clock.
We have to get ready. Don't you want some surf and turf, Chastity?
Don't you? You're the only one that likes steak. I don't like steak like
I
that.
like steak.
I like seafood.
Surf.
I
and
like
turf.
crab legs. I like crawfish. I like
Lobster.
shrimp. Lobster. They like
eat it.
steak.
Chastity.
It's not me.
Where is she at?
She's outside sleep.
She sleep outside.
Sleep right there. You see her? She sleep. She sleep. Cruising the streets. Hey, bloom, 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 bloom. We only got 1 minute till we gotta go to dinner. So get up and do your hair and makeup. It looks like you've been in the water, so you know it's gonna take you a long time to get it together. I did. Oh, now just keep in mind we gonna come home at the end of the night. You can sleep till 9.
Call me papi, that's my papacito. I'm dancing now.